Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to rename a query in the Power Query editor in Power BI. So let's start. I've got the Power BI desktop open here with me and I've got this report and I can see these names and there are multiple ways to change the name. In this specific example, we'll learn how to change the name in the Power Query editor and that change will reflect here. So let's start. So on the Home tab, from the Home tab you click on the Transform Data tab and then hit Transform Data. And when you do that, it opens the Power Query editor. So you can see on the top, it's opened the Power Query editor. So I'll just select this. You can see we were in Power BI desktop and then we went to Transform Data and click Transform Data and it opened the Power Query editor. So for example, for DIM customer, you can see there is name here. So instead of DIM customer, I just want to call it customer. So I'll just go and hit and change that. And similarly for date, I just want to go and I just want to call it date. So again, I select date on the left side and then I change this to date and hit enter. And similarly for geography, I'll just go and select DIM. In place of DIM geography, I'll do is geography, and that's pretty much it. So maybe I'll also go and change DIM product while I'm at it. So let's just go and we'll change this name as well. And that's about it. And then I'll just go and hit close and apply. And it's, as you can see here, it's saying there are pending changes, and then it starts making those changes. So this yellow pop-up is gone now. And you can see that the name has changed. So it's customer, date, geography, and product. So, and that's one way. You can there are multiple ways to do it. We were just exploring one of the ways. So in this video, we've learned how to rename the queries in the Power Query editors, and how we did it was we went to the Home tab on the Power BI desktop. We went to Transform Data. It opened the Power Query editor for us. And when the Power Query editor opened, we selected the query that we wanted on the left hand side. And then on the right hand side, we just changed the name. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.